Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss LangChain, the most popular toolkit for building AI powered apps. So LangChain is like a Lego blocks for AI apps. You snap together small pieces, a chatbot, a search tool, a memory module to build something powerful without writing everything from scratch. So, what is LangChain? LangChain is a framework, a set of pre-built tools that help developers to connect AI models to the real world, your documents, your databases, and your APIs and your users. In one sentence, it's the glue that ties an AI model to everything else your app needs to do. If an AI model is the brain, LangChain is the body, giving the brain hands to use tools, eyes to read documents, and memory to remember conversations. So, why do we need it? A raw AI model can only do one thing: take text in, give text out. To build a real app, you need much more. The problem: AI models don't know your company's data, can't search the web, and forget every conversation. Without LangChain, you had write hundred of lines of plumbing code to connect the AI to documents, tools, and the memory. With LangChain, pre-built blocks for everything connect to the AI, to your data, tools, and memory in a few lines. Building an AI app without LangChain is like building a house from raw lumber. LangChain hands you walls, doors, and windows ready to assemble. What you can build with it: RAG, chat with your docs, an AI that answers questions with your PDFs, websites, or the databases. AI agents, an AI that can think, plan, and use tools like browsing the web, sending your emails, and running code on its own. AI workflows, multi step pipelines, read a file, summarize, translate, email it, all automated by AI. Tool calling. Let the AI use your APIs, check weather, search database, and book a meeting. Memory systems. Make AI remember past conversation, user preferences, and the session history. Chatbots, customer support, internal helpers, AI tutors built in days instead of months. How does it work? The chain idea. LangChain gets its name from the idea of chaining small steps together. Each step take input, does one thing, and pass output to the next. Example: chat with your PDF chain. User question, search PDF, build prompt, call AI model, answer. A chain is like assembly line. Each station does a small job and passes the work to the next. LangChain gives you the station and conveyor belt. Works with every AI model. So LangChain is the model agnostic. It doesn't care which AI to use. Swap models with one line change. Cloud models: OpenAI, ChatGPT, Anthropic, Claude, Google Gemini, Mistral, and Cohere. Self-hosted: VLM, Olama, Hugging Face runs open models of their own servers. 100 plus integrations: Vector DB, Spinecode, Chroma, Search APIs, database, cloud storage, and more. It's like a universal remote, one tool that controls every AI model and data source you might want to use. No vendor lock-in. How easy it is. Okay, so we will discuss later on like how we are going to make a chatbot with the help of the 5 lines in the Python. Okay, so what it is: an open source framework. Why it matters: skip months of plumbing code, build AI apps in a days, use ready-made blocks. Why you build chatbots, RAG agents, workflows, tools. Okay, why it's popular: works with every AI model. Okay, so one line: LangChain is the easiest way to turn your AI model into a real useful product. Okay, so I hope you get a better idea like what exactly the LangChain, and now we are going to make such kind of things which we'll discuss in a later video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.